Ebisu. It is an ultra-shift pigment with the colors green, gold, and mauve. This is a very interesting color. You can see some green. We'll bring it back to this angle and we see that mauve color. There's also a bit of like a copper tone. Very nice, very beautiful. This is Hotei. It is an ultra-shift pigment with the colors purple, gold, and mauve. Hotei. This one has beautiful colors. We have like a violet to a blue. Alright, so on this one I had a little accident cleaning the spray gun. I dropped a little bit of reducer on it and this is the only gram I had. So I'm still going to clear over it. Here we have Ebisu. Unfortunately, I did had a little accident right there to where I dropped a little reducer while I was cleaning the spray gun. But other than that, here's Ebisu. It's a very beautiful ultra shift with the colors mauve, gold, and green. Look at that, from that very beautiful, brilliant green to this mauve. Look at that. Ebisu. Here we have Hotei Hotei's an Ultrashift Pigment. The color's blue, purple, and mauve. Look at that shift. Very beautiful shift. Hotei. Blue, purple, and mauve. Alright guys, so that is going to be it for today's video. Check out the description, check out all the links. I have the Intercoat that I use, the Urechem, very good product. I'm not affiliated, not sponsored, just a really good product, so I'll leave the link. The Clearcoat is the Cobra, sprays just like the Besni. I used to use the Besni a whole lot. The link that I have down below, again, comes from eBay. It's a very inexpensive Clearcoat, and I do recommend it. Not sponsored or anything like that, just sharing out the products. And as far as the pigments from Eye Candy, I do have an affiliate discount, so if you guys use the code GT's Performance, you guys will save 15% on any color, any pearl from the website, anything you'd like, save 15%, so be sure to use that code. Other than that, leave some comments, let me know what you think about these two colors. And there's only 14 colors of these Ultra Shift on the sample pack, so I'm going to be doing 2 colors at a time, you know, short, around 5 minutes each. And other than that, so there's only 7 videos, but at the end of this, I do want to try to get my truck ready, sand it, spray some primer, and perhaps even spray an Ultra Shift pigment on my truck, depending on if we find something that we like and that fits the style of the truck. I'll definitely paint my truck with an Ultra Shift pigment. But that's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and I hope to see you on the next video. Peace out.